The next few questions are going to talk about classical conditioning. So I want to go over that with you very quickly. In classical conditioning, you have two stimuli and a response. You always have two stimuli and a response. If you can't find them, then it might not be classical conditioning. So, what are the stimuli? What is a stimulus? A stimulus is anything that you can see, hear, smell, touch, or taste. And touch can include anything from literally touching something with your hands or body sensations, muscle tensions, cold, nausea, heat. All of these things can be a stimulus. Now, some stimuli will naturally elicit a response. So, for example, if you see a tiger, that will naturally make you scared. You will naturally have your heart race. You might have muscle tension. You might run away. At some point in your life, might have seen a duck and it looks so cute. You want to go pet it. And then that duck raises his wings and starts coming after you. You don't have to think about that. Your body, your brain automatically, naturally knows to be scared of that. And if you've ever had that happen to you, you might have thought, I didn't expect that reaction. I would never have thought that I'd be scared of a duck. And yet, when a duck takes that stance, your body knows this is something I'm supposed to be scared of. You might have definitely seen it with a dog, right? You saw a dog and look at how cute it is, and you went to pet it, and then that dog started to growl at you. And again, your body knows how to react to that. You don't have to participate. Your body just goes, "Oh, I'm scared of this." That is a natural and normal response. You might hear, I don't know, a good beat, and that might make you want to dance. This is pretty normal. You don't have to learn that. That comes sort of pre programmed in your brain. You might smell something delicious, somebody making some steak, and all of a sudden you start feeling hungry, or maybe your mouth waters. This is a natural response. If you touch fire, that's going to hurt. That's natural. You don't have to learn that. And if you taste something sour, well, your brain knows that it's sour. And as soon as you put it in your mouth, it dries your mouth and it makes you pucker up and you have that sour face come on your face. These are things that we called unconditioned stimuli and unconditioned responses. You don't have to learn these. Your brain automatically knows to be scared when it sees that tiger get too close, to feel hungry, or to make your mouth water when you smell something good. These are all natural or they are normal responses. You don't have to learn them. And so that's a term that you want to remember. Unconditioned means you don't have to learn it, it comes natural. But of course, sometimes I want you to react in a way that isn't natural. For example, maybe I want you to react with a hunger or a desire or a thirst when you look at a plastic bottle. Or maybe I want you to feel excited when you see a specific logo. Or maybe I want you to feel a sense of urgency when you see a specific icon. Well, these aren't natural. You have to learn these. And the way you learn them is through classical conditioning. And specifically, these are called conditioned stimuli and conditioned response. That means that these pairings weren't natural. You are not born learning to feel a sense of desire or thirst for a specific shape of plastic bottle, but you learn that. And so that is the conditioned stimulus, the plastic bottle, and the conditioned response is your desire to have what's inside of it. And classical conditioning follows a specific order in order for it to work. And I'm going to talk about that in one of the other videos. But first, finish these questions.